How to activate the follower option on your Facebook profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can activate the follower option on Facebook. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So if I go ahead and simply open the Facebook app, for example, and if I go to my profile page, let me show you that if I go ahead and tap on the View As button, you can currently see that we do not have the follow button, and I will show you how you can get that follow button on your Facebook account. Now in this case, I will not use the Facebook app. What I will do is I will use the Facebook Lite app. So if you're on Android, I recommend you switch to the Facebook Lite in order to do this, because there is a certain setting which I wasn't able to find within the Facebook app. And if you're trying to do it on iOS and you don't have Facebook Lite, what I recommend is you simply log into Facebook from your browser. So you can head over to your Safari and go to facebook.com and follow with me with all the instructions which are described in this video. So what I will do is, first of all, I will simply go ahead and open the Facebook Lite application on my phone. So as you can see, Facebook Lite, I'm going to go ahead and open it, and if I still show you, I currently don't have the follow button on my Facebook profile. So if I go ahead and tap on View As, you can see it still says Add Friends. So how do we enable the follow option? There are basically 3 to 4 main things which you need to customize. From your home screen, first of all, what you have to do is on the top right hand side, you can see those 3 horizontal lines. So go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon. Over here, you want to scroll down and you'll find Settings and Privacy. You want to go ahead and tap on Settings. So go ahead and simply tap on Settings. Now over here, what you want to do is you want to actually scroll down. The very first thing you want to do is simply come to this number or this section which says Privacy. Go ahead and tap on Privacy. And over here, you want to make sure that all of these settings is set to public, such as who can see your future posts, who can see your people pages, and who can see your stories. You can see all of it is set to public. The other thing you want to customize, the main thing, is that you can see it says who can send you friend request, and currently it is set to everyone. We don't want to set it to everyone. What we want to do is we want to set it to friends of friends. This is the main and the most important thing. And after this, what you could do is we could come back and you'll find this option which says public post. Now why I told you to switch to Facebook Lite or browser is because in the Facebook app I wasn't able to find this option which says public post, which is the main distinction in order to add and activate that follower option. So go ahead and tap on public post, which you see. As you tap on public post, here you have this option which is who can follow me, and you want to make sure that you set it to public. If you set it to friends, no one will be able to follow you on Facebook. So what you have to do is simply tap on public, and you can see it says who can see your followers on your timeline, and so on. After that, what we will do is we will come back and I will show you whether we have successfully enabled the follower option or not. So let me just go ahead and show you, for example. So I will go to my profile page, and if I tap on the View As button right over here, if I reload it, now you can see it says follow. So make sure to reload it. And previously also I showed you from the Facebook app. Now from the Facebook app also, if I go ahead and tap on View As, it will simply show the follow button. And this is how you can activate follow button. I showed you the main 3 distinctions. The one is who can see your public posts and so on. The other is who can send you friend requests, and the other is who can follow you. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.